Is the book on the table, under the table, or inside the bag? These tiny words are called prepositions. Words don't just stand alone, they connect to each other. The words that show these connections are called prepositions. So today we are going to learn about prepositions. So stay tuned and watch the video until the end and have clarity on the parts of speech prepositions topic. Yes, in this video we are going to cover the types of prepositions, tips and tricks, and also we are going to conclude what all we learned at the last. So what is a preposition? Preposition connect the nouns and pronouns to other words in a sentence. Okay, so connection, we can say it as a connection between a noun and a pronoun. For example, in, at, on, off, to, by, for, with, about. So all these are the prepositions. They also show the relationship between the words. So let us see the types of prepositions. First of all, let us take the place. These prepositions, they will tell you where something is located. For example, bag is in the bag is in the big basket. So what is happening here? So in. So where it is? In. In means inside. So inside the big basket, the bag is there. So here also you can see some of the examples. The meeting is at 2 p.m. Specific time we are mentioning over here. The cat is sleeping on the rug. So where the cat is sleeping on the top of the surface. So these specifically tell you what place and where that particular thing is located. So these are called as the prepositions of place. And coming to the prepositions of time, they also tell you what something and when something happens or how long it lasts. For example, she arrived in the morning. We will meet at the cave. The movie starts on Friday. I haven't seen him since yesterday. So when you are not able to see him, since when? So since. So we are starting from a point. So specifically they will tell you the time, pinpoint time. Also, prepositions are there for direction. For example, if you're going somewhere to a trip, okay, so you will see a map and you will plan accordingly. You will see two, okay, from and towards and what all you have to go through and across all the particular places what are there, along the road what is there, around the place what is there. Yes, so all these words which shows you the direction are called as prepositions only. For example, she walked to the park. See where she is walking to, it is especially telling you towards a destination, right? The bird flew from the tree. So where the bird is flying from the tree. So it is telling the origin here. They ran across the street. Say across means what? It is showing the movement across something. Okay, so even these are also called as a prepositions where they help you to know the direction. And coming to the other important types of prepositions, there are so many. So about, with, without, by, for, of, despite, because of. So all these are the variety of prepositions where you express in the variety of relationships between the words. For example, I am happy for you. So we are expressing the feeling over here. And here the car is driven by a computer. So we are performing an action here. The book is about history. We are telling the matter about the subject. So all these kind of connecting words, we call them as prepositions. So in the next video, we are going to learn about the conjunctions. So until then, if you didn't subscribe, do subscribe and follow for the complete English grammar series. Thank you.